Hello! We were just unboxing a gift from a friend that gave to me. So this is thank you mating for this gift. So I will unbox and before I open it, I appreciate it very much. So thank you for this gift. So I will open. I need uh, to do this because kapag sinira mo raw ang wrapper, it will mauulit ulit. So, sinira mo na. Let's unbox what's inside. So, you are excited. I'm also excited what's inside. So open this. Oh, I think it's wow. Oh my gosh. What's this? Wow. I think it's very expensive. Thank you very much, Mimi, for this. Oh my gosh. This is my first time to have very expensive perfume. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I will keep this. Thank you very much, Mimi. Thank you for this gift. I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much. So, maybe I will keep this to bring. I hope I can bring it in the Philippines, but I don't know if this can be. Smells good. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Meeting. Thank you very much for this gift. This Ceylon with me intensely sky blue. I tried it and it's very the smell is good and I like it very much. Thank you very much. So this is what's inside. So this is it. I tried it already and it's napakabango. Thank you, Meme. I will keep this until I return to my country, until I finish my travel here. Thank you. Bye-bye.